both ends like this. And it's good, right? It's nicely folded. Now let's try the one that I learned from the people I follow on TikTok. So grab this side of the shirt and then like the middle, cross your arms, and then do it on the other side. There you go. That's another way of folding a shirt. So which one would you prefer? Which one's easier for you? So kahit na alin ang sulat sa inyo, yun ang sundin. Okay? 2 ways on how to fold your underwear, especially when you're traveling or when you're putting in your drawer. Let's do his first. Yeah. Nice, right? Another way. This will be smaller. You have a smaller space. See, this one's smaller. The last one is smaller than the first one. So you choose which one you want. And then let's do hers. Yeah. Another way. Especially if you have limited space. This one is smaller in size. Another one. Okay, so you make a choice. Let's do this one. There you go. Very nice and tidy. And let's do the socks. Instead of doing this, let's do it this way. Perfect for packing or for just putting it in your drawer. Hope you enjoyed it.